Alright, I am milling tulipifera here, tulip trees. There is a purpose to them. Adjusting my helmet. I'm gonna just show you what I did here. I took one slab off with my 288 with a like a Granberg mill. I believe it to be some sort of knockoff. I got it, some guy gave it to me, and he gave me a beam machine too. So what I did was I banged down the sides with, I took the top off and I banged down the sides with that beam machine. And now I'm going to take one or two pieces off of the top, 1-inch slabs off the top. Then I'm going to take one or two 4-inchers, and then I'm going to take whatever I can in 1-inch that the mill will fit over at that point. So here we go. We do have a lot of room on the mill. It's a beam machine. I'm using it on that QV 6700. I'll throw a clip of that up somewhere. .28-inch bar. I am not using milling chain. I am using full comp semi chisel. Oh, you know what I should do? I should blow that off. I bought a blower down to clean that off the top of that, so make it a little neater for me. I'm gonna run them downhill first. Coming through the first time I got hung up and I put this like, almost like a 1/4-inch lip. I'm hoping if I come downhill with it, it'll smooth out evenly. Now here we go. Give me time to cut if you like. Right on, like a rock, real I can already tell that this is a nice consistent cut. Oh, what a beauty. All right, I'm gonna guess the next one's gonna be a little bit nicer, a little bit more purple from what I see going on the bottom. So then we'll take the mantles off of there. This is a really nice looking piece of wood. I mean, I really like this a lot. All right, it's nice with the colors and everything. I wish they would stay that way. I already know better. We'll take one more off so I could get rid of the knot here a little bit, and that'll put us in the nice spot, and then I'll set it to 4 inches. I'm gonna go for a second cut. I think I can do it. And after this next cut, I'm going to sharpen my chain. Silly me. Okay, the upside is that I did smooth out that little hump, and it'll just get better as we go on. I mean, I'm not my first time in the rodeo with this. And one more slab off of this, and then we're going to go in deep. Yeah, one more, and then it's going to come right down the middle of that. This should yield a pretty nice looking couple of 4 inchers. Now, if you never milled before, when I make this cut, if I run out of fuel, I'm going to do what I refer to as an in-flight, which is fueling the mill up while it's in the cut. You pull it back a little bit, fuel it up, and start it right up in the cut. And you know, simple shit like that makes understanding how to do simple stuff like that makes your life a lot easier. Being big enough to drop start a mill with a big saw on it makes your life even more easy. Okay, there we go. hearing there is my saw running out of fuel. So we're gonna top her off. And we'll start her up and finish her off. I'm not running out of fuel. I'm getting lower, but that must just be a gap in the cut. Either which way, I'm stopped now. May as well fuel it up. Hard to tell from here. I'm a lot lower than I thought, I guess. I'm gonna have to go up to the truck and get another fuel jug. Ain't no big thing though. Got a honeybee down here with me. I don't know if you saw him. See him landing right in there? Little guy. While we're here, we'll just give her a little on the tip.